My colleague Sunetra Chaudhary actually has details of what happened when the former Air Chief travelled to Italy. She has these exclusive details.
Well, thanks very much. Let's just look at that. The appeals court in Milan has indicted Air Chief Tyagi, and NDTV has now learned how, in the court verdict, they used the testimony and cross-examination of an Agusta official. His name is Saponara, to talk about an evening in 2006 when the Air Chief Tyagi and his wife were taken out by Agusta officials for a night at the opera. The witness Saponara appears reluctant to reveal details, as is shown from 197 page onwards till about 205. But the prosecutor manages to extract it from him by telling him how he can't remember. They show him Tyagi's picture and he says first maybe, but then confirms that it is Shashi Tyagi. Saponara says that his wife and Air Chief Tyagi's wife and other officials' wife were also there, and they admit how much the trip came in between all of these negotiations. Final thing was signed much later, but in 2006 this was a preparatory trip. In fact, in one place they mentioned it was just before an official trip by Fali Major. Now, amidst all of this, they also say that the entire thing was sponsored by Agusta. The night out weren't just tickets, which were lakhs of rupees, because Verdi, the famous Italian composer, his composition was playing at the Scala that night. But it also included a stay at the very plush Grand Hotel in Milan and also a dinner afterwards. Saponara, the witness and Agusta official, admits to the court that Air Chief Tyagi, he says, why did you go there? He said he's passionate about opera and about other artistic things. Now, while this may not appear to be bribery, but the court connects the two and notes that the night out also included then Italian Defense Chief Camponari and the now convicted Finmeccanica Chief Orsi. They were all present there, and that's why they felt this was an informal meeting to set the base for official negotiations, which led to the Agusta deal in much later, this meeting in 2006. This perhaps is what Air Chief Tyagi will have to respond to.